ndabaramukije cyane ku mazina banyita Jado Uhuru. Inyuma y'igihe kirekire Gusto Belanin atabonana n'umugenzi we DJ Fernando. No munsi kubukwe bwa Fernando bahuye for the first time after some long time. Igihe kirekire batabonana, byari byishimo cyane, wabona umunezero uri mu maso yabo bose, kandi bishikana hagize n'igihe Gusto nasaba indirimbo yo kwifuriza ubukwe Fernando n'umukenyezi wiwe. Urabona namuguye no munda. It was so amazing, byari bisa neza cyane gose. Ladies and gentlemen, reka twumvirize iyo ndirimbo ashaka kubashiriramwe, kandi it was so amazing. It was something very incredible after some long time. Byari bisa neza cyane gose.
Oh baby, no sorry. Amas. Oh baby, no sorry. Amas.
Nk'abakunzi b'umuziki ndundi, murabona ko byari ibintu bisa neza cyane. Mwisunze amasanamu mwaravye ukuntu byari bisa neza cyane rwose, byari bimeze neza cyane. Abatipe babiri bafise chemistry zirenze cyane, zibisazi zimeze cyane rwose. Iyo bari kumwe birabonekana ko hashobora kuvamo ikintu gikomeye cyane, gikaze cyane gose. So this was so amazing. It was something very very good. I was very happy the time nakunda raba chemistry yabo, ukuntu they were hugging each other. Byari bisa neza cyane gose. Anyways, thank you so much. Mukore subscribe kuri channel banyita Jado Uhuru aka Aka Uhuru. Thank you so much. Murakoze cyane gose.